In this section, let's look at an example of normalization. There are many varieties of normalization in AI, with the most common ones being batch norm and layer norm. Let's see a general equation for these normalizations. Let's assume that we have an input layer with a neuron I, and we have an output layer with a neuron J. The value of neuron J will be the scaled summation over all the input neurons plus some bias term. Now, let's say if we want to normalize this neuron J, we will first center its value around the mean over a pooling subset A. Next, we will divide it by the standard deviation over some pooling subset B, add a smoothing factor sigma, multiply it by a learned parameter gamma, which will be a scaling factor, and add a learned parameter beta, which will be a translational factor. So, with the choice of the pooling subsets A and B, we could achieve different types of normalizations. But for now, let's look at a very simple example of normalization. Let's say you have an input vector X. We will first divide it by its own NP norm, add a smoothing factor sigma, and multiply it by G, which will be a scaling factor. This will achieve a normalized X. So in coding exercise 2.1, you will implement this normalization. And in the upcoming interactive demo, you will play around with the smoothing factor sigma, the P norm, and the scaling factor G to explore its effect on normalization.